So this clock here looks pretty interesting. I'm not quite sure what the year it was built. But right across from this clock, you have this building right here. This is the public school administration building here in Twin Falls, Idaho. I noticed these lamps too. There's quite a few pictures out there with these lamps and giants standing next to them back in the days. But this is the building here right across from that clock. Let's see if I can get a date when this was constructed. I think I see something right there. So, yep, 1917. Might have been earlier than that, but it says William G. Mikadu. Don't know how to pronounce that, but Secretary of the Treasury James A. Wetmore. I think that says Acting Supervision Architect, ASA. You got like a possible mud flutter right here, right across from this building. Let's take a look at that one. Building looks really old too. I mean, I could be wrong, but yeah. The pillars are pretty huge too. The camera won't do it justice. Like if you were standing here, you would see how huge they are. Pretty damn huge. But then there's the clock right across. I feel like this whole street right here, and I noticed there's quite a few streets like this in the world. See, like this whole strip right here. There's so many pictures with giants standing next to these lamps, these light poles, and they're like about the same height as the lamp. It's pretty crazy stuff, or should I say amazing. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video to share with you guys. You guys have a good night.
Kira's like, I'm not. Kira's the fellow version.
So this is the Westera Real Estate Group building. Obviously see some Celtic design. You got some pillars at the front. So this door looks like it used to be huge. Sorry about the darkness. They got a dining area here, a little restaurant. It's called Milner's Gate Dining Craft Brewery Wine Bar Spirits. I wonder why they add that word spirits at the end. Beautiful building. Let's see if I can go inside. Wow, check out the stairway. Look like marble. Yeah, that's marble. I wonder how deep this goes. I hope I don't get in trouble going down here. Alright. About a story down. You got an area here that's looks like it's under construction. There's nothing in here but scraps of construction pieces. Looks like just the furnace room or where they keep the brewery. Definitely indications of mud flood. I mean, who knows? This probably goes a little bit deeper. But let me come up here real quick. This is the upstairs. Good, how are you? Yeah, so this is the inside of the upstairs. Probably more to this building than we know. Beautiful staircase. Well built. Well built. But yeah, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this building here in Twin Falls, Idaho. Like I said, there's quite a few stuff here in Idaho, but then again, they're everywhere, right? That's where I just came from, that window up there. But yeah, guys, you guys be safe out there. Thanks for watching.